Hi, good evening all. This is Mujanath. Let's start the next chapter, that is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So as you have studied this in the second lesson, that is polynomials. It is the quadratic. So it means degree 2. So quadratic polynomial we learned. In that equation, the ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. What do you mean by quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is in the variable x. The variable x is the equation on the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then where a, b and c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. This is the condition. The in quadratic equation, the variable s is of the equation form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers, and and condition is a should be not equal to 0. If you take examples, 2x square plus x minus 300. So we are writing this is the quadratic equation also. Compare this one, this a square plus bx plus c. So in the a it is 2x square, bx in the form x, because coefficient of x is 1 here, plus c. So the constant number is minus 3. So the it is the equation of the quadratic equation of the for 2x square plus x minus 300. If you take another example also, like 4x minus 3x square plus 2. So you are writing the this form only, a square. First you have to write a square for square number, then this is plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is also a quadratic equation, because it contains ax square plus it is in the form a square plus bx plus c. So these are the examples for the quadratic equations. So it is in the a square plus bx plus c, and a should not be equal to 0, and a, b, c are the real numbers. Then this is also called this is called standard form of equation. Standard form of a quadratic equation. So it is called standard form of a quadratic equation. Then they given the textbook example 1. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So you have to write in this form, a square plus bx plus c. So see the first problem. They given John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So both have John and Jivanti. So the both have 45 marbles. For total 45. Then both of them lost 5 marbles each. So if you take John's marbles as x, take John marble as x. So total 44 are there. Total 45. So Jivanti will become 45 minus x, because total 45, and I taken John marbles as x. So the remaining will be 45 minus x. Then they lost 5 marbles each. Lost 5 marbles. So 5 marbles. So John has the marbles x. He lost 5 marbles. So x minus 5. And Jivanti had 45 minus x. 45 minus x of numbers of marbles. Then she also lost. Both of them lost. So 45 minus x is there, and 5 also lost. So this is in the form x minus 5 and 45 minus x minus 5. And then they given, if the product of the number of marbles, these are the numbers, no, number of marbles, John and Jivanti. So their product 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to, they given 124. So you x minus 5, which is 45 minus 5 is 40 minus x, so it's equal to 124. If you if you simplify this one, h into 40x minus h into h is minus h square, then minus 5 into 40 is minus 200, then minus 5 into minus x is plus 5x is equal to 124. So I have simplified this equation. As first you have to multiply x this to 40 minus x. X into 40 is 40x. Then x into minus x is x square, that is minus x square. Then this one you have to multiply for the both the numbers. So minus 5 into 40 is minus 45 is 200. Then minus 5 into minus x, it is plus 5x. This one equation is equal to 124. So if you solve it, 40x minus x square and minus 200, if you bring this one this side, it will become minus 324, because 200 this will plus is there, this side comes to 124. So minus 200 minus 124, it will become minus 324 plus 5x is equal to 0. So 40x square, no 40x is no 40x minus 40x plus 5x, 45x. This is 45x and x square is there, x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. So while keeping the quadratic equation, try to keep the coefficient of x in the positive sign only. So here minus is there, so you take minus common. If you multiply to all this minus, the signs will be changed. Minus will become plus, and plus will become minus, and minus will become plus. So this is the required representation of the quadratic equation mathematically. So how they means, if minus x square is there, plus 45x is there, minus 324 is equal to 0. Here it is the form of a square plus bx plus c. So c is constant number and bx is coefficient of x, and x square is the coefficient of a. So here try to keep always the x square value in the terms of positive. So it is negative is there. So you multiply it by negative. Negative will become positive. Positive will become negative, and negative will become positive. So x square minus 45 plus 324 is equal to 0 is the mathematical form of quadratic equation which satisfies that John has given in the marbles of 45, total 45. Next one. Next one they given as in the question, a tortoise industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. So they are producing certain number of toys. Certain number of toys. You take it as x. Then for the given, the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So total, cost of production of each toy, they given 55, total 55 minus the number of toys produced. So certain number of toys produced. So it is x. 55 minus x. Then they given the total value that on a particular day, their cost of production was 750. So this one x is there, no? X into this is 55 minus x. This is 55 minus x. The total cost of production is 750. So it is now x into 55 minus x is equal to the total cost of production for the number of toys produced in 1 day is 750. So I equated this to 750, and number of toys of each day produced is x, and the number of the cost of production of each toy, it is each toy. So each toy is 55 minus x they given. So x into 55 minus x is equal to 750. So multiply this one, 55x. This is minus x square. This will, if it comes this time, it will become minus. So is equal to 0. So minus x square is there, so you have to make this one as positive, so sign will be changed. So x square will be minus x square, plus 55 will be minus 55x, and minus 150 will be plus 150. So this is the required quadratic equation mathematically. So first you have to do the certain number of days state as s, and the cost of production of each toy. Each toy for the production it is 55 minus s. Then they given total cost of production in one day is 750. So x into 55 minus s into is equal to 750. Then you simplify it, it will get minus s square. So please keep in the this negative value in the positive value of the x square value, degree 2. So 55, so minus 55, that signs will be changed, and that is the required quadratic equation mathematically. Then so they will give you quadratic equation. You have to check it is in the form of quadratic equation or say one example you take. First one, the given x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So first for checking whether it is a quadratic equation, it should contains a square plus bs plus c. So first you have to simplify this one. It is here square is there, but it is not compulsory that it is quadratic equation because it is in the simplification. So after the simplify, you can judge that it is a quadratic equation or not. So x minus 2, so it is a minus b whole square, that is x square minus 2 square is plus 4 minus 2x into 2 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So x square, x minus 2 whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square. 2 square is 4 minus 2ab. 2 is 2 into 2 x and 1 is 4. You should know this formula. Then plus 1 I have taken, and as it is I have written 2x minus 3. So shift all the terms to this side. So x square minus 4x, this will become minus 2x. So it will become minus 6x. This one plus 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. So it is in the x square minus 6x plus. Well, if we compare this one, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is in the first example, x square minus 6x plus 8 is there. So c is the constant number, x is the quotient bx, and f quotient is a. So it is in the form of a square plus bx plus c. So it is quadratic equation. So if you check this one, it is a quadratic equation. So how we have to judge means we have to first simplify the equation, then remaining the value should be in the form of a square plus bx plus c. Then only it is quadratic equation. If you take another example like this. If you take x into x plus 1 plus 8 x plus 2 x minus 2 x plus 2 x minus 2 x into x1 plus 8. So they will ask you whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So first you have to simplify. X into x is x square, then x into 1 is plus x plus 8. This one is a plus b, because a plus b, a minus b, same terms are. A is in the form of s and b is in the form of 2. So a plus b, a minus b formula is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you can write a plus b is s plus 2 is a square means x square minus b means here 2 square is 4, x square minus 4. So shift the all terms in the left hand side, x square plus x plus 8 is there, and this one is, if it comes plus 12, so it will be plus 12, and x square is there and minus x square is there. So x square and minus x square get cancelled, so it remains x plus 12. So here x term is there and constant number is so, but it doesn't have in the form of x square value. So if it doesn't contain the degree 2, then it is not a quadratic. It is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. It seems like quadratic equation by seeing the values. So x square is there, so it is a. But here x square is get cancelled. So when it gets cancelled, if we remain in the degree of 1, it is not a quadratic equation. So like that you have to do in this way. If it is not in the quadratic means it compulsory it should contain the coefficient of x square. If it doesn't contain coefficient of x, it is not included. Only the second degree of the equation should contain the degree of 2. So then only it is a quadratic equation. So like that you can do exercise now. So exercise, first one they given the s plus 1 whole square. Exercise 4.1. So they given, check whether the following are quadratic equations. So they given first problem, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So they are asking you the question, check whether the equation is quadratic or not quadratic. So first you simplify x plus 1. So it is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square. A square means a square plus 2ab. A into b is s, 2x. Then b square. B square is 1 square, 1. Then you write 2x minus 3. Then x square plus 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. So it will written as x square plus 2x plus 1. This one 2 is there, so multiply by this the number only. 2 into x is 2x and 2 into 3 6, minus is there, so minus 6. So shift all the terms this side. This will be x square plus 2x. This one minus 2x. This will plus 1 is there, and minus is this side comes means plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. So plus 1 plus 6, it is plus 7 is equal to 0. So it doesn't contain the quotient of x, but it contains the quotient of degree of 2. So if it contains degree of 2, then it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. If it does not contain in this from C, it is containing the degree of 1, but it doesn't contain the degree of 2. So for the compulsory degree of 2, then only it is a quadratic equation. Then second one, second one they given as x square minus 2. So second one, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So they will give equation like this, and they will ask you to check whether it is the quadratic equation or not. So at the last they should contain the degree of 2 and constant term, or without quotient of s also. Then x square minus 2x minus 2. So x square minus 2x is equal to, so you have to multiply for both the numbers. So minus 2 is there, 3 minus x is there. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Here minus 2 into minus x. So minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x. So shift all this side. So x square minus 2x. This 2x will become minus 2x this side, and this minus will shift means it will become plus 6. So it's equal to 0. Then x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Because it contains the ax square and bx plus c is constant term, and bx, and this is ax square. So it is a form of quadratic equation. Then next one they given has x minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So what they given, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. First to check whether it is a form, you have to do the simplification. So first you multiply this x to these numbers. So x into x is x square, x into 1 is x, plus is there, so plus, then this number 2, this 2 numbers. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. This one also same, you have to x into x, x square, then x into 3 is plus 3x. This is minus 1 is there, so minus 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So shift all the terms in the see, this one will get cancelled. X square is there, x square is there. This side it becomes x square, it is cancelled. Here x is there, but it is minus is there, so I have to same. So plus x minus 2x, it will become minus x. This also minus 2, it will become minus 2x. X minus 2x is minus x, and this one will become plus x. So it will become plus 2x minus 2x. It is cancelled. This one x, this one is get cancelled. So minus 2 and plus minus 3 is in this one. If it comes means x square plus x minus 2x minus 2, then x into x is x square, then plus 3x minus x minus 3. So 3x minus x is 2x. Here also minus 2x is, so minus 2 minus 4x minus 2x, this one plus x. So here 3x is there, then minus x is there, and minus 3 is there. So you shift this one number to this side. So minus 2 is there, plus 3 is there. So it will become plus 1. So minus 2, this will come this side is plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. S square get cancelled. Then minus 2x is there, plus x is there. So it will become minus x. This also plus 3x means 2x. So this will plus x minus 2x is minus x. Plus x minus 2x is minus x. And this will become 3x minus x is 2x. 3x minus x. This is x, so don't cancel it. This is 2x. So x minus 2x, it will become minus x, and this one is 3x minus 2x. This time is minus 2x. It will become minus 2x, and minus 2 is a plus 3. It will become is minus 2 plus 3 is 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, if you write in this form, minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here it is not quadratic. Why? Because it is contains the x quotient but does not contain the degree of 2. So if it is does not contain the degree of 2, then it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. So only you have to remember that it is, if it contains degree of 2, then only it is a quadratic equation. If it does not contain degree of 2, then it is not a quadratic. Even if it has even if it has degree of 1, then also it is not a quadratic equation. If quadratic equation is there in the form of ax square plus c, then also it is the quadratic equation. It is negligible 3x. So for the degree of 2 only you have to check that is quadratic equation or not. Then fourth one, x minus 3 2x plus 1 into x is equal to x plus 5. So you can do that one yourself. Then I will do fifth one, fourth one you only do. Fifth one, 2x minus 1, x minus 3, 2x minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1 into x minus 1. So if you solve this one, so try to solve this problem. Then you take 2x into x is 2x square, 2x into minus 3 is minus x. Then this one minus 1 you have to multiply for this 2. Minus 1 into minus is minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. This one you multiply. X into x is x square, and x into minus 1 is minus x, and 5 into x is plus 5x, and plus 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So shift all the terms from this side. So 2x square, this will become minus x square. This is minus 6x minus 7x. It will become minus 7x. So this one minus s is there, plus s, it will become 4s. This side comes means minus 4s. Then plus 3, this is minus 5 there, plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus s square is x square. Then 7s minus 7, it will be 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. So as you see this one, x square minus 11x, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So it is a quadratic equation. Only it should contain the degree of 2. If it does not contain the degree of 1, so it is a quadratic equation. It should contain at least degree of 2. Then only it is a quadratic equation. This one you have to multiply this type, and this one to multiply. Then you have to shift all the terms this side. This is minus 6x is a minus x there, so minus 7x. And this one is minus x plus 5x. So 5x minus x is 4x. Then you shift this side, means it will become minus 4x. So minus 7 is minus 1 minus 11 is, and the plus 3, this is minus 5, the exponential shift means plus 5. So plus 3 plus 5 is plus 8. Next one, fifth one over, no? Then sixth one, you do yourself. I will do the next that one, seventh and eighth. It is different because they contain the cubic is. So seventh one, x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x square minus 1. So x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So you should know, for this one you should know the formula a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the general form of the a plus b whole cube. A cube, b cube, 3ab, a plus b. So it is in the x plus 2 whole cube. So a is here nothing but x. So x cube plus b is nothing but 2. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 8. Then 3ab. 3 means a means here x. B means 2. Then x plus 2. So if you do this equation, only I am doing this one. This is also is there. Afterwards I will do. Only I am writing this x plus 2 into value. So x cube plus 8. This is 3 into 2 is 6x. 6x into x is 6x square. Then 3 into 2 is 6x. This is into 2. So plus 12x. So it is in the form of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. So here, if we compare this one to quadratic equation, it is present in the cubic polynomial, but it should contain only the ax square plus bs plus c. But it is in the ax cube plus bs square plus s into minus d. It is in the form of cubic. So for quadratic means it is a 2 only. So degree of 2 is 2. Here degree of 3 is 1. So it is not a quadratic. So it is not a quadratic equation. Why means it? Wait. So it is in the form, this form will not be quadratic equation. Then you have to solve this one, no? This one is this one. So x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8, and you multiply this one. 2x into x square is 2x cube plus 2x cube. This side comes means 2x cube, because 2x into x square is 2x cube. This plus is there. This one, this side you have to shift this two terms. So 2x cube. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. If it comes this side is plus 2x. Plus 2x is equal to 0. Then final equation will be x cube plus 6x cube, x cube minus 2x cube is there. So it will become minus x cube. Then plus 6x square, then 12x and 2x. It is will be 14x. Then number will be plus 8 is equal to 0. So if we compare this one, x cube plus 6x square. So x cube minus 2x cube is minus x cube, because minus 2 greater value. So minus 2 minus x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x. It will become 14x. Plus 8 is there. Plus 8 is equal to 0. So the final equation in the form ax cube bs square cs plus d. It is in the cubic, but we have to do in the quadratic means it is contains degree of 2. So it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Then you can do 8th one like that only. It is also in the form of x cube only. So I'll take that one also. So 8th one. What they given? 8th question is they given like this: x cube minus, it is in the, they given first in the x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. X minus 2 whole cube. So it is like that. The previous problem only. What they give here plus they give here a minus b whole cube. So x cube is there, minus 4x square minus s plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So for that, first you split this one because it is in the a minus b whole cube. It is formalized a cube. A cube means x cube plus b cube means 2 cube 8. Then minus 3ab we have to take minus 3ab because it is minus 0 minus 3ab and a minus b. So x cube plus 8 minus 3 into, here a is x and b is minus 2, no 3ab, no a b is 2, then a minus b x minus 2. Then next x cube is there, no x cube as it is plus 8 minus, this is 3 into 2 is 6x square means 6x square, 3 into 2 is 6, x into x is 6 square, this minus 3 into 2 is 6x, 6x into 2 is 12, so minus into 1 is 12, so minus 12x. So here in this side x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. So if we compare this one, this will get cancelled because x cube get, because if it comes this side means it will become minus x cube. So minus 4x square is there, here minus 6 is there. If you will shift to this one, minus 4x square plus 6x square will become, then minus x keep as it is, we have to shift this one, so minus 12x plus 1 is there, plus 1, you have to shift this 8 to this side, minus 8 is equal to 0. So I have taken the 8 also, 6x square is plus 12x is minus 12x and 8x minus 8, then x cube are cancelled, then 4x square is as it is, minus x is there, then plus 6x I taken here, minus 4x square, minus 4x square plus 6x square, plus 6x square. So it will become 6 minus 4, 2x square, then minus x minus 12x is minus 13x, plus 1 minus 8 is minus 1. Why means 8 minus 1 is 7, but negative sign is greater, so minus 7. 2x square minus 13x minus 1 is equal to 0. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, so x minus 2 whole cube, x minus 2 whole cube we can write the a cube plus b cube, so this one will be minus 8, no, okay, so minus, so it is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, so here a cube is at 2a, this one will become minus 8, no, I written plus 8, wrong it is, here this one here is minus 8 means it will become plus 8, so the value will be plus 9. How means, I will repeat once again, a minus b whole cube, so it formulates a cube minus b cube, I taken plus b cube only by mistake, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, so a is x and b is 2, and in this put the values x cube minus 8 minus 3 into 6x square plus 12x, then this plus minus 8, you have to take this side, it will become plus 8, already plus 1 is present, minus 4x square, if you bring this x square to this side, plus x square, minus x is there, this one plus is means minus will become 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic, so it is a quadratic equation. Like that you have to check the whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So it should contain a square plus bx plus c. Even if it contains x cube, it is not it is not the quadratic, because it should contain only degree of 2 or only if at degree of 2 also with constant number also it is okay, but it should not contain only degree 1. Then it is not a quadratic equation. So like that you have to check the following quadratic equations or not. So I think you understood the introduction of the quadratic equation, how what is quadratic equation and what is the standard form, and how to check that one, and how to write in the form of quadratic equation if they given in the arithmetic, means word problems. So you can write in this form of quadratic equations. So please subscribe my channel. I think you are understanding day by day what I am teaching you now. So thank you.